I let my shower get disgusting just to test this. Scrubbing Bubbles Grime Fighter claims to destroy grime, mold and soap scum with no scrubbing. But does it actually work? Let's find out. This is the Scrubbing Bubbles Bathroom Grime Fighter, Rainshower scent. It's a disinfectant spray designed for tubs, tiles, toilets, sinks, and pretty much any bathroom surface. The bottle says it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, and that it cuts through tough grime. So, I'm putting it to the test. First, I sprayed it on my tile grout and the bottom of the tub. Both had layers of soap scum and mildew stains. The foam clings well and spreads across the surface. I let it sit for 5 minutes, like the directions say. Then I wiped, no scrubbing, just a sponge and water. Here's what I noticed. On lighter stains, the grime came right off, almost effortlessly. Heavier buildup needed a little pressure, but still far less work than usual. The foam breaks down soap scum quickly, and the Rainshower scent leaves the space smelling clean, not chemical heavy. Pros: it's easy to use, smells good, and works great for regular maintenance cleaning. It's especially good on smooth tile and bathtubs. Cons: if you haven't cleaned in a while, you'll still need to scrub a bit, and it's not meant for natural stone or delicate surfaces. If you're looking for a fast, effective way to keep your bathroom fresh, Scrubbing Bubbles Grime Fighter is a solid choice. It's not a miracle product, but for weekly cleanups, it really does save time and effort. Would I use it again? Definitely. Got a favorite bathroom cleaner? Drop it in the comments and let me know what I should test next. And don't forget to subscribe for more real cleaning reviews and oddly satisfying results.